No, wrong. Hi guys, just go for a little walk down to the beach and just show you what's going on again, really. And down here there is a sign, you can't see there with the sun. I thought I'd turn it on just slightly earlier. You can see people sitting outside eating. Because it's warmed up today. I don't know if that sign is going to show people watching. That sign there is reading 18 degrees when it does go up. 18 degrees. And I'm back in my shorts again, so I'm happy. Won't lie, there's a slight chill when you're out of the sun, but now I'm back in the sun again. You can feel that warmth. So I just thought I'd come down to the beach again, see what's going on down here. It's a little breeze. But I'm surprised they haven't taken our Christmas tree down yet. I suppose because Christmas lasted a bit longer here with the three kings. But as you can see, it's still quite nice. There's a bit of seaweed here, or kelp, on the beach in the corner from the recent storm. But overall, another beautiful day. So the sky's lovely and blue. Just yeah, a glorious day. Well, a lot of people still in their coats and jackets. I don't know how they can keep them on in this heat. I'll take a little walk over. I think people wearing their masks makes it look as if they're wrapped up for winter, but it's definitely not that cold. Of course, it's orange season here. There's oranges, beautiful oranges there. And that's the great oranges. Stand here and get a view that along. Looks so tempting. Oh, what's that swimming around? Oh, there's a bird with a fish in its mouth. It's struggling with the fish. And if you can see that, cormorant, he's gone under now. He's still got the fish in his mouth. Quite a big fish as well. Or big for him, he's struggling with it. I don't know if you can see that on film. I can't see the picture very good. Oh, he's just swallowed it. There you go. You can see his throat a bit bigger there. Well, that's that cormorant fed for a little while, keep him happy. Didn't expect to see a wildlife program today, live. Just look at the crystal clearness of that water, beautiful. Inviting. Just a little bit of a swell there occasionally, but just sorry if I'm moving the camera around too quick. I'm walking around as well, watching these rocks. It's need to watch me footing. We always wondered where the seat is that's got Che Esperar waiting for you. There's someone sitting on it there now. There was. Hotel de Nadal and Benaquitas behind. Oh look, and we've got Mad Mike and Crazy Marcus out doing their live video as well by the looks of it. Good afternoon. How are you? Live on Strictly Benidorm? Sorry? Yeah, I'm live on Strictly Benidorm at the moment. Yeah, so yeah, just out filming. So how's it going? Lisa's shorts weather today.
Yeah, I've got 2 shorts today.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. So well, oh well.
Okay.
I'll see you. Yeah, catch you later. And they put some of their films on Strictly Benidorm sometimes. It's the first time I've actually seen them out wandering around. First time I met them in the street, would you believe? But yeah, I just thought I'd do another little quick one just to show you that it's starting to warm up, and this is the trend now. It's going to get warmer from today, they say. But I was surprised to see 18 degrees on that sign just back there. Really good. So okay, well I'm gonna head in for a coffee, and I just thought I'd give a daily update today. I say we are back to our normal Benidorm weather now, and possibly really warm Monday and Tuesday. So, but we'll wait and see. Okay, guys. Glad you could join me. I haven't seen any anybody put anything up today, but whether or not that's a problem. Sometimes I get where I don't see messages people send, but I know there's it says there's 28 of you online. Just enjoying this beautiful view. Just to let you all know that we're still here waiting for when everything can get back to normal, and hopefully that should start from the middle of February according to the government from the English side. And if they can get the vaccines rolled out here quick enough, then everything should be nearly back to normal here as well. Just have to wait and see. But I know it's a bit tough at the moment, but hopefully we get through these next few weeks, and we should be on the mend. And you can all come and book your spot on the beach here. Right, well I'm going to go and find a little table in the sun, have a coffee, and I will catch up with you guys in the next one. So I'll see you all very soon. I'll just leave you with this view, the famous Benidorm Island. Okay guys, have a good day wherever you are, and I'll catch up with you all very soon. Bye for now.